Imagine that down the whole door, lock them all in. Letting it cool off for a minute, or?
Yeah, just a second.
Okay. I just posted your video actually about 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Solar power.
Yep.
From Ruckus.
Yep.
Are you still the same system, same specs from Ruckus, or did you change anything?
Just new batteries, 2 more alternators.
So a little more upgrade on the electrical side.
Yeah.
Any testing on the sealed section?
No, it's been pretty much the same.
Okay.
Just watch that screw behind you.
Alright.
I think it's
Sorry.
really quick.
Don't worry about it, man. Safety first. You took your seat out and all of that. Heck yeah.
It does better without anything in it. So.
Oh yeah. It all absorbs bass, to be honest.
Yeah. We'll start high and then we'll go a little low. It peaks at 52, so.
What did you get on the meter now?
157. What?
Fan just overheated like a motherfucker.
Why?
Now the fan over there, melting the pavement to cool it's that high.
Wow.
57's nice. That high note, what was that, like 52 or 54?
Yeah, 52.
You can't prevent it either. It'll make you sneeze that note for some reason. Appreciate that. Awesome. Heck yeah. Now that'll tap out demo right there for sure. Appreciate it. What is it playing, like 28 to 55 or
somewhere around
down
there?
there?
Yeah.
That sounded good, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
And also the drawing, respect. People liked it.
Yeah. It's 110 hours of Sharpie.
That's crazy. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Awesome.
It's good
Thank
seeing you.
Yes, sir.
You be here tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
I'm a calculator of the field life. The fruits of my labor, I enjoy them, but it's still right.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.